Hello everyone, and welcome again. In this video, I will explain to you how to enable Active Directory Recycle Bin in Windows Server. But before that, you must know the importance of enabling a recycle bin in Active Directory, as it has many benefits, the most important of which is that the Active Directory Recycle Bin allows you to quickly restore deleted objects without having to restore a backup copy of Active Directory. Also, the Recycle Bin feature preserves all valued link and non-link valued attributes. This means that a restored object will retain all its settings when restored. By default, the deleted object can be restored within 180 days. In addition, its default value is the same as the Tombstone Lifetime value. I will quickly start by enabling Active Directory Recycle Bin. First, open the Server Manager dashboard. From Server Manager, click on the Tools menu. And from the menu, select Active Directory Administrative Center. Then, from within the Active Directory Administrative Center, select your domain from the left. Then on the right side, click on Enable Recycle Bin. Once you enable the Active Directory Recycle Bin, you cannot turn it off. That is, you cannot disable the Recycle Bin again on Active Directory. In any case, enabling the Recycle Bin will be useful to you. Click on OK button to enable the Recycle Bin, and remember that you will not be able to disable a Recycle Bin again. Then click on OK button, and refresh the Active Directory Administrative Center. Once the steps are completed, you will find deleted objects. From here you can recover any object that was deleted, within a period of 180 days, and the object will be restored at its default value, whether this object is a user, a group, or something else on Active Directory. I hope the video is useful to you. And thank you for watching. I also hope you subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.